Have you ever wondered why some people speak English fluently without hesitation? Not by memorizing grammar, not by translating, but by training their brain to think in English. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful method used by language learners around the world. It's called shadow practice. Let's begin. Shadow practice is a simple but powerful technique. You listen to English and repeat it immediately, like a shadow. No pauses, no translation. Just listen and speak at the same time. It helps your brain copy pronunciation, rhythm, and natural flow. It's exactly how children learn language. With shadow practice, you will speak faster and more confidently, improve pronunciation naturally, understand native speakers easily, stop translating in your mind, build real-life conversation skills. Just 10 minutes a day can change your English forever. Here's how to do it. Listen carefully. Repeat immediately. Don't worry about mistakes. Follow the rhythm. Ready? Let's practice together. Morning routine. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I drink tea. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read the news. I read the news. I make my bed. I make my bed. I open the window. I open the window. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I start my day. I start my day. Good job. Keep going. Stay relaxed. You're doing great. Daily activities. I go to work. I go to work. I leave my house. I leave my house. I lock the door. I lock the door. I take the bus. I take the bus. I drive my car. I drive my car. I walk to the office. I walk to the office. I reach on time. I reach on time. I start my work. I start my work. I check my emails. I check my emails. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I talk to my team. I talk to my team. I complete my tasks. I complete my tasks. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drink water. I drink water. I stay focused. I stay focused. Nice. Your rhythm is improving. Don't rush. Speak clearly. Food and eating. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I order food. I order food. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I try new dishes. I try new dishes. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. I like spicy food. I like spicy food. I drink juice. I drink juice. I eat fruits. I eat fruits. I eat vegetables. I eat vegetables. I avoid junk food. I avoid junk food. I drink more water. I drink more water. I feel full. I feel full. I enjoy my meal. I enjoy my meal. I clean the table. I clean the table. Very good. Keep your voice natural. You're sounding more confident. Conversations. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am busy. I am busy. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you help me? Can you help me? Please wait. Please wait. Come with me. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. Take care. Take care. Excellent. Speak with confidence. Imagine real conversations. Feelings. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I am confident. I am confident. I am worried. I am worried. I am proud. I am proud. I feel calm. I feel calm. I feel great. I feel great. I feel better. I feel better. I feel strong. I feel strong. I feel positive. I feel positive. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. Good. Feel the emotion in your voice. This is how real English sounds. Technology. I use my phone. I use my phone. I watch videos. I watch videos. I check social media. I check social media. I send messages. I send messages. I make a call. I make a call. I use the internet. I use the internet. I download apps. I download apps. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I listen to music. I listen to music. I take photos. I take photos. Nice flow. Keep going. Your pronunciation is improving. Home. I clean my room. I clean my room. I wash clothes. I wash clothes. I cook food. I cook food. I watch TV. I watch TV. I relax at home. I relax at home. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I help my parents. I help my parents. I play games. I play games. I read books. I read books. I take rest. I take rest. Great job. Stay consistent. Consistency builds fluency. Night routine. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I go to bed. I go to bed. I sleep well. I sleep well. You made it Amazing work. Now let's finish strong. Power ending. I am learning English. I am learning English. I practice every day. I practice every day. I will not give up. I will not give up. I will succeed. I will succeed. Great job. You did amazing today. Practice this every day, and your English will improve faster than you think. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice again tomorrow. See you in the next lesson.